Hi, this is Ranagram from 19 TV channel. Since 3 to 4 months, I am facing the issue that YouTube has stopped monetization of uh, my channel. Uh, since I know that I got some strike that any other content which was misleading or mean bypassing the YouTube policy. When I received that notice afterward, I deleted my video that was uploaded in my content. I mean, copyright was there, but I want uh, uh, just I know that I will share my income with the uh, owner of that video, even though I deleted the video from my content, not getting any in as per YouTube policy. I'm really sorry that I will be careful about content in future, and I will upload the content as per YouTube policy. So this is my request to YouTube team to allow the monetization of my YouTube, that I can continue and look forward my content, and even I mean since that I could not update my content. So this is my promise that in future I will accept and I will follow the YouTube policy what are given by YouTube to the content writer. So I will avoid in future. Please allow the YouTube my monetization channel. So this is from YouTube that I cannot do start my work. So after that, I will be very careful about the content, and I will follow the YouTube policy in future. So this is my again request. Please allow YouTube my channel monetization to move forward. Thank you.